Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we're going to make some planet jewelry. So not long ago I got a bunch of cute little charms from my friends over at BeeBeeCraft. I got these. I guess they're Saturn with a star. I don't know. And then I got these. Whoops. So at the end of this video, I'll leave a link so you can click on it if you want to check out the unboxing. And if you're interested in getting any of these charms from BeeBeeCraft, I will leave a link in the description box with a coupon code where you can get these for a discount. So the first thing we're going to do, set all this aside, is we are going to make a pair of earrings. Now, as you notice, these are two-sided. They look the same on each side. So because of that, I can actually make these left and right earrings, which I love that. And I'm really making these very simple. I'm taking some ear wires and I am going to open it up very carefully, hang that on, and very carefully close it up. There's one earring, and open this up. Now let's see, I gotta make sure they're going to be facing opposite direction. Turn that around. Yeah, they're opposite direction, okay? Close it up. And we have a pair of planet earrings. And now we're going to make a matching necklace. And so I'm going to use the same charm. And I want to use some stainless steel chain. I've got a lobster claw clasp. I made sure it's working. And I have two jump rings. One, I think this is a 4mm and this is a 5mm. Now I'm going to make this 18-inch, I think. And the first thing I want to do is open up this jump ring. And you know what? Hang on. I got to get a little tool. I got another set of pliers out. Whenever you, there we go. Whenever you open up jump rings or make jewelry, if you've got pretty nails, you're not going to want to use your nails as tools. I do that all the time, and that's why my nails are in such bad shape. But I'm trying to do better. Okay, watch how I open this up. See how I opened that up? It's important that you open up jump rings like that. Whoops, I don't want it there. I'm going to put this at the end of the chain. And I'm going to close it up very carefully, making sure it's all closed up. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that lobster on there. We're going to do some measuring. Let's see. Oops, wrong way. Let me get my ruler out. And so I want 18 inches. Now, I got to keep in mind that I do have this jump ring. Okay, and then I'm going to use some memory wire cutters to cut this chain because stainless steel is very tough. And if I use my regular jewelry cutting pliers, I could ruin them, and I don't want to do that. All right. Now I need a jump ring for this guy. Let's see, I think I'll use this size. I think this is a 6mm. And again, I got to open up the jump ring. And then close it back. Put it on the chain. Now for all you minimalist people out there, this is a great piece of jewelry for you. And this makes a great stacking piece too. I have one on, I've been wearing it all day. In fact, I've had several compliments. There we go, we're all done, and we have ourselves a matching set here. Earrings and a necklace. Isn't that cool? Now, I'm going to show you something else. I also got these. Aren't these pretty? These are just enamel. They look like mother of pearl, but they're enamel. They're a gold tone, not that real bright, shiny gold tone. But I made these just like I made these earrings. I just opened up the loop and hung the charm on there. And I think I'll put these in my shop. What do you think? Should I put them in my shop? Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. And like I said, if you're interested in any of this stuff from BeeBeeCraft, I'll leave a link to their website with a coupon code. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.